Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to turn off iPhone lock screen, swipe to camera gesture. Apple has introduced a super handy feature for anyone who is ever accidentally lost the camera app while pulling their iPhone out of their pocket or bag. Frankly speaking, it has happened to me on numerous occasions. For the first time, iOS offered a pretty straightforward way to disable the lock screen swipe to open camera gesture. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone, and then we have to scroll down a bit and choose the camera option. After that, you have to head over to the bottom of the screen, and then you have to disable the toggle for lock screen swipe to open camera, and you're all set. The lock screen camera gesture has long been a handy iPhone feature, letting users swipe left to snap photos instantly. However, this convenience often comes with a drawback. It's easy to open the camera app by mistake, leading to unwanted battery drain or random pocket photos. Fortunately, you can now prevent these accidental launches entirely. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.